Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you 2 ways to activate 2 WhatsApp accounts on your NAVITEL 787. So you need the second WhatsApp account for the work, for example, with separated contacts, numbers, messages of course. I'm gonna show you 2 fast tricks for that. The first one is by opening the Google Play Store, and then in the search bar look for the WhatsApp business. Just install this app, and thanks to that we have 2 WhatsApp apps on one tablet. So that was our first way. Now the second way, we have to go to the Play Store like before, tap on the search bar and look for the dual space app. Choose one of them and open. Click agree and continue. Allow permissions to files, and just tap on the WhatsApp icon. And after that process you can activate again the next WhatsApp account. That's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.